This is an agent that does company research leveraging Perplexity to find various pieces of information about the company, and then it uh, outputs it in a kind of web page interactive uh, format, and it shows citations. So I'm going to now go run this agent, and I am going to call run this for Bridgeline Digital. And this is now going to go run just to quickly show you a few things. Uh, so you can see here is my perplexity action, and then I'm storing the citations. The way to store the citations is there's a metadata.citations variable, metadata uh, context that has citations in it. And when you do this, it'll provide you the citations. And then I'm just basically adding that in a loop where I take the citations, then I add the next citation. So then I have a list of citations. And all the various research that happens, all of this then gets output as HTML. You'll notice that the HTML itself is not written in my prompt. I don't have any HTML. I'm just writing a prompt to generate HTML. So I'm basically saying this is the name of the company, generate an HTML document to display the company name, include a table of contents. These are all the sections, and then these are all the variables that have the value. So once that agent runs, what you'll see now is I have my output. And so I have detailed company research, which shows the overview, financials, products, competitors, news, and the citations. And you can see this is the overview page, and it gives you kind of an overview of leadership, quick highlights of stuff. Then I can click on financials, and I get a detailed financials of the latest quarter, how they did, what their strategic developments are. And you'll notice there are links to citations over here. There's like, it's in 2 and 7 and stuff like that. These are the products and competitors. This is overall news about the company. And for each one of these, then the citation section. So you can go and say, oh, it was 2 and 5. You can go and look at the second one and the fifth one. And so all the citations are over here. So again, quick output of a research that not only shows you the research, but also gives you a list of citations, and it's presented in a nice interactive HTML format.